Okay, parents and students, I want to show you some different things that you can access when your students log into their hub. Now, theirs might look a little bit different because this is what mine looks like. But one thing that students have all access to is this little thing called A-Leaf Digital Resources. When they click on this right here, it opens up and they have BrainPop, Learn 360, Pebble Go, all these really great websites and tools. Even have National Geographic Kids, and Pebble Go Next is just that next level up. They also have access to the Houston Public Library. If your student does not know how to access the Houston Public Library, please message me and I'll let you know and give you their login information for that. Another one is Ed. This is our actual textbook right here. Now I'm not going to click on it because when I click on it, it is the teacher edition. So I'm going to kind of show you what it looks like for the kids. This is what it kind of looks like for them. And they have, this is theirs right here. They have, this story right here is on Sea Turtle Patrol, and it gives them the genre study, setting a purpose, and they can type in their answers right here and I can actually see them. They don't have to worry about saving anything. And if they want to access other stories, this one is just module 9, where theirs will have different modules shown in there, but this one only shows module 9 right here. And then here's all the stories that we have not had a chance to get to because we're not on this module right now. But they have a bunch of different stories that they can go to, lessons. The students know what this is. This is their collaborative discussion. This is something they would use after they were done reading. And they also have a writing activity that they can do as well. And you see it just kind of keeps going through. And they can do this. It also will read the text to them for those that are struggling. And it has also, if you go into the stories, it can show them the vocabulary and all that stuff as well. So, oh, here we go. It actually has the vocabulary. They can click on it and it gives them the definition, and it'll also give an audio of the definition. So that's another resource the students can use. Also, I wanted to show you how they get to their Schoology. So they click on the Schoology app, and I've talked about how they log in. Again, mine's going to look a little bit different, but they're going to go to Courses, My Courses, and they want this one right here, Collins Learns Anytime, Anywhere. And they're going to click All Students. And they've already put every single student in here, so they should need an access code. If they need an access code, let me know and I can give that to them. And since your students, obviously they will go to 4th grade, English, and there shouldn't be anything up yet. But when they click on it, a lot of people are on it, so it's going to take a while to load. But they'll go here and they'll go to the file Monday, March 30th. And in there you'll see lessons for Monday. Miss Concannon is doing this lesson. There's going to be videos, there's going to be read-alouds, there's going to be activities. None of this will be taken for a grade. It's just to kind of give you and your child something to do to keep that learning going. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know. But right here, this hub is going to be your best friend. It's going to have a lot of things on there for your child to do at home. If they are trying to do iStation, they're going to have to download the app of iStation. A lot of people are complaining that it was not working, and that's because apparently they have to download the app first. And then once they do that, they can open it from here. The app has to be on their computer or their devices. I don't have a lot of information on that. And then here's iReady for math. So this one right here, and this one is for math. Do about 30 minutes of this. Do about 30 minutes of iStation. Also, the students have access to Epic Books. This is a great resource as well because it gives students a chance to access a library that they've created, and I've also assigned them some books as well. So if you have any questions, please let me know.